All right, hello everyone. So in this video, we're going to be doing an overview of Google Sheets. Most probably you've already used Excel before, and it's nice. Excel is nice, but Google Sheet is better. Google Sheet has a lot of functions that are not available on Excel. So we're going to do an overview of Google Sheets and the different how to go about it and the different features that are there in this video. And then in subsequent videos, I'll start to go in details on how to add data, how to manipulate data, and connect data with Google Sheets. Right, so we'll head over to sheets.google.com. All right, that is the address there, sheets.google.com. And then when it opens up, it's supposed to show us a list of all the different sheets that we have created with this Google account. Now, just like Google Docs, you will need a Google account to be able to create Google Sheets and every other tool that is associated with Google Workspace. You will need a Google account to access the entirety of Google Workspace. All right, so it opens up, and then now we can these are the two sheets I've created with this account. I can create a blank sheet, or we can get started with these templates. These are some of there are more templates, there are more templates that you can click on. You can find them if you click on this. So we'll be starting with a blank sheet. We just click here, and then it will open up a blank sheet. All right, so first things first, we should name our spreadsheet. It's untitled, so we'll click on it to rename this sheet. We just come here and call it test sheet. All right, now watch what happens here. It's saved to drive. Now this is one of the very beautiful thing about Google Sheets. It's the fact that Google Sheets saves your data automatically. It saves your changes automatically. I use it auto save, so you don't have to worry about pressing Ctrl S to save your data manually. It saves automatically, and that is just amazing. So now at the bottom we have, this is a spreadsheet. Now in a spreadsheet we have multiple sheets, so this is just one sheet in this whole spreadsheet. We can add another sheet by clicking on this button, and then that adds another sheet to the whole spreadsheet. So this is sheet 1 and this is sheet 2. Now we'll go back to sheet 1. Now this when you look at the top right corner here, there is another beautiful thing about Google Sheets, is the fact that you are able to share this spreadsheet with somebody. So when I hover over this share button, you see it says that it's private to me. I'm the only person who can access this sheet right now. So when I click on this share, I'm able to add somebody's email address, somebody's Google mail address, and then the person can have access to this sheet also. I can grant the person access as an editor, so I can grant this person access as an editor, or I can grant the person access as a viewer, or allow the person to only comment on the sheet. Now coming to comments, this is another thing that is available on Google Sheets that makes Google Sheets really amazing, is the fact that you can chat, you can collaborate, you can chat, and you can comment on Google Sheets. This, if you work at a company, yourself and another person who works at the company can, even while you're at two different physical locations, you can both work on the same Google Sheet at the same time. You can chat, collaborate, and comment, and that Google Sheet just takes collaboration to a whole new level, and that is one of the reasons why I always work with Google Sheet. It's just amazing. Now this is a new feature that Google rolled out not so long ago, is the fact that you can actually join a call, a video call, while working on your sheets here. So if you're collaborating with somebody, you cannot just chat, you cannot just collaborate. It's more than chatting, collaborating, and commenting. You can now actually add a call on Google Sheets, and that's just amazing. So you can add a video call by clicking on this. So that uses meet.google.com. So you just create a Google Meet, and then it works perfectly well. So in the next video, now this is just an overview. This is just an overview. In the next video, I will start to show you how to add data to your sheet, how to do basic calculations, basic data manipulations, formatting, and all of that. So that is it for this overview video. I'll see you in the next.